Astringents. Astringents precipitate protein, toughen the skin, promote healing, and dry the skin when applied topically. When used to coagulate blood, astringents are said to be styptic and elicit a mild uncomfortable sensation when applied to small open wounds. Astringents have limited uses in the veterinary medicine today. Most of the chemicals in this group are inorganic salts of aluminum, zinc, potassium, and silver, and include aluminum chloride, aluminum sulfate, calamine, potassium permanganate, silver nitrate, zinc chloride, zinc oxide, zirconium chlorohydrate, and tannic acid. There are many germicidal agents that also have astringent activity. Other astringents are of vegetable origin. Most of these preparations owing their activity to tannic acid or gallutanic acid. Astringents in the vegetable derivative group include gallic acid, quino, crameria, and rubus. Drugs under astringents. Drug names include aluminum acetate solution, aluminum chloride topical, domiburo astringent solution powder, Drysol, Formalaz, formaldehyde topical, Gordon's Boropac, Hypercare solution, Pediboro soap packs, Cerac AC. Astringent powders are agents that cause skin cells or mucous membranes to contract or shrink by precipitating proteins from their surface. When applied topically, they dry and harden and protect the skin. They reduce bleeding from minor abrasion and are used to relieve skin irritation resulting from minor cuts, insect bites, and etc. The effects of astringent powder. Provides the protective coating to the mucosa of the gastrointestinal tract. Guards against inflammatory and irritant effects of toxic gases and substances within the gastrointestinal tract. Slows peristalsis. Checks the destruction of the ruminal microflora. Prevents the disarrangement of digestive functions. Checks loss of fluid and electrolytes. The astringent powder indications. An effective intestinal antiseptic and astringent for the treatment of acute or chronic diarrhea and dysentery. Astringent powders, dosage, and directions. For calves, best given by placing a tablespoon of powder on the back of the tongue 2 to 3 times a day. For mature cattle and horses, 2 to 4 tablespoons shaken well with a small volume of cold water as a drench. For dogs, lambs, and pigs, 1 tablespoon of powder placed on the tongue for 2 to 3 times a day. The use of astringent powder as a treatment applies to the following animals: beef cattle, dairy cattle, dogs, horses, sheep, and swine.